you're going to find that this information we're about to blast through here is going to be more important than anything else you guys learn. We're going to give you the tactics, all right? But what's going to separate you from the competition is your mindset, all right? Because everything we're about to go through, your competition is struggling with as well. All these fears, all these doubts, your competition has them too. So let's dig in. All right, so number one, business truths. Let's do it again. Business truths that will never die. Number one, commit first, figure out the rest later. All right, why do we commit first? Why do we commit first? Why don't we not try and perfect things right out of the gate? There's going to be problems anyways. How many of you had a fat loss client who's come to you and wants you to give them a meal plan that takes them from A to Z in just one meal plan? How stupid is that? You're like, dude, your metabolism is going to adapt in 3 weeks. We're going to have to tweak it. And then you're going to, have issues with the lower fat in a couple more weeks after that. We're going to have to tweak it again. How many people have competed here before? How many times has the meal plan changed along the way? You get bigger problems as you get leaner and leaner. The testosterone drops, the metabolism drops. It's the same thing with building a business. You're trying to get stronger for the powerlifting shows, Grant. It doesn't get easier as you get stronger, it gets harder. You're fighting for every single pound, right? So you guys have to understand that when you're building a business, there's going to be immense problems that come. So you might as well just jump right in. It's like getting into icy cold water. What's the best way to get into icy cold water? Just jump. Why? What happens if you're kind of tiptoeing? You're trying to tiptoe. Oh, am I going to go back out? Woo, let's try it again. We're going 1 inch deeper this time. I did it with my kids the other day at the pool. I felt like, I hope nobody's around filming this. I'm like tiptoeing. The water wasn't even cold. You're just extending the pain. You're extending the pain the longer you wait to get started. Because you're going to have to fight the battles anyways. The battles are going to come regardless of when you start. When you start the business, you're going to face a ton of steps that you've got to take. Everybody's got to take them. There's no steps you can skip. So that's why we commit first. We figure out the rest later. All right? And what happens when you get committed? Commitment unlocks together. Creativity. Commitment unlocks creativity. The reason you can't come up with a solution because there's no skin in the game, man. You haven't burned the boats yet. There's no consequence. There's no consequence to take action. So we've got to burn the boats. We've got to commit to the thing we've said we're going to do, and then we figure the rest out later. It's do or die now. Now it gets fun. And guess what? Your competition has to deal with this reality too. So the faster you get in the cold water, the faster you can start swimming across to the island. You know what I'm saying? Number two.